Building wealth may seem like an uphill battle, especially when starting from scratch. But with a clear plan, disciplined habits, and the right mindset, you can create a path toward financial independence. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you build wealth, even if you're starting with little or no savings. 1. Define your wealth goals. Start with a clear vision. Short-term goals, emergency fund, paying off debt, or saving for a specific purchase. Long-term goals, buying a home, starting a business, or retiring early. Set smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound goals to keep your journey focused and trackable. 2. Build a budget that works. A budget is the foundation of wealth building. Track your expenses. Use apps or spreadsheets to identify where your money goes. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Cut unnecessary expenses. Reduce dining out, cancel unused subscriptions, and negotiate bills. 3. Establish an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and an emergency fund protects you from financial setbacks. Start small. Aim for 1 month's expenses, then work toward 3 to 6 months. Keep it accessible. Use a high-yield savings account to grow your fund while keeping it liquid. 4. Eliminate high-interest debt. Debt with high interest can sabotage your financial growth. List your debts. Prioritize by interest rate and balance. Choose a strategy. Use the snowball method, smallest debts first, or avalanche method, highest interest first. Refinance if possible. Lower interest rates can save you money. 5. Start investing early. Time is your greatest ally in building wealth. Utilize compound interest. Even small, consistent contributions grow significantly over time. Open investment accounts. Start with a 401k, IRA, or brokerage account. Diversify. Include stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds to balance risk. 6. Create multiple income streams. Relying on one income source can limit your financial potential. Explore side hustles. Freelancing, selling products online, or offering services can boost your earnings. Invest in assets. Real estate, dividend-paying stocks, or peer-to-peer lending can generate passive income. Upskill. Acquire certifications or skills to increase your earning potential in your primary job. 7. Automate your savings. Consistency is key, and automation ensures you stick to your plan. Set up automatic transfers. Direct a portion of your paycheck to savings and investments. Use Roundup apps. Apps like Acorns invest spared change from your purchases. Adjust over time. Increase contributions as your income grows. 8. Protect your wealth. Building wealth is only half the battle. Protecting it is equally crucial. Get insured. Health, life, and property insurance safeguard against major losses. Create a will. Plan your estate to avoid unnecessary complications for your loved ones. Monitor your credit. Regularly check your credit report to avoid identity theft or errors. 9. Stay consistent and patient. Wealth building takes time, so stay committed. Review your progress. Reassess goals and strategies annually. Celebrate milestones. Reward yourself for achieving significant financial goals. Keep learning. Stay informed about personal finance and investment trends. Building wealth from scratch isn't just about making more money. It's about smart management, disciplined saving, and strategic investing. Follow these steps, and with patience and persistence, you'll create a strong financial foundation for a secure and prosperous future.